Welcome back to the Animal Explorer, where we delve into the incredible world of creatures great and small. Today, we're fluttering our wings towards the fascinating world of butterflies. These delicate beauties are much more than just pretty faces flitting through gardens. They boast surprising superpowers, mind-blowing adaptations, and some truly bizarre habits. So, get ready to be amazed as we explore 10 fascinating facts about butterflies. Fact 1. See-through wings? Believe it or not, butterfly wings are actually transparent. What we see as vibrant colors and patterns are caused by light reflecting off the tiny scales covering their wings. Fact 2. Foodie feet. Forget fancy forks and spoons, butterflies have a unique way to enjoy their meals. They taste with their feet. Their tiny feet have receptors that can detect sugars and other yummy things in nectar and rotting fruit. It's like having built-in taste buds on your shoes. Not the most glamorous, but definitely effective. Fact 3. Liquid lunch. Speaking of meals, butterflies are on a strictly liquid diet. They use a long, straw-like proboscis to slurp up nectar from flowers. Fact 4. Speedy self-assembly. When a butterfly emerges from its chrysalis, it has a crucial job: assembling its proboscis. This long, delicate straw needs to be unfurled and perfectly formed, all within a short time. Talk about high-pressure origami. Luckily, butterflies are natural pros. Fact 5. Mud puddles, yum. Forget fancy water bowls, some butterflies prefer a good old mud puddle. They gather around these muddy spots to get essential minerals they can't get from flowers alone. It might not sound appetizing to us, but for butterflies, it's like a refreshing mineral spa day. Fact 6. Cold-blooded flyers. Butterflies are like tiny solar-powered gliders. They're cold-blooded, meaning they need external heat to get going. That's why you often see them basking in the sunshine. They're warming up their flight muscles, like a car engine preheating before a trip. No sunshine, no flying. Gotta love those renewable resources. Fact 7. Short and sweet. The lifespan of a butterfly might surprise you. Unlike some of their long-lived insect cousins, most adult butterflies only live for a few short weeks. But hey, they pack a lot of living into those few weeks, flitting around, laying eggs, and keeping the ecosystem buzzing. Fact 8. A kaleidoscope of colors. Butterflies can see a wider range of colors than we can. They can perceive ultraviolet light, which is invisible to us. Imagine a world with even more vibrant colors and dazzling patterns. That's what butterflies see every day. Fact 9. Masters of disguise. Some butterflies are like the ultimate fashion chameleons. They use mimicry to disguise themselves as other, toxic butterflies. The viceroy butterfly, for example, closely resembles the monarch butterfly, which predators tend to avoid. Talk about a clever way to stay safe. Fact 10. Butterfly effect. Butterflies play a crucial role in the environment. As pollinators, they flit from flower to flower, transferring pollen and helping plants reproduce. These tiny creatures have a big impact on the health of our ecosystems. A true example of the butterfly effect, where small actions can have big consequences. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about butterflies. These incredible creatures continue to amaze us with their beauty, adaptations, and role in the natural world. If you enjoyed learning about butterflies, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the Animal Explorer for more adventures into the animal kingdom. We have new discoveries waiting around every corner. And hey, if you've ever spotted a butterfly in your garden, consider planting some pollinator-friendly flowers. You might just be helping these fascinating creatures thrive. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time on the Animal Explorer.